Konnichiwa. In the world of real estate, knowing how to navigate the stormy seas of taxes can mean the difference between a treasure chest of profits and walking the plank of missed opportunities. But fear not, I'm here to guide you through the fog and into the sunshine of tax savings. Whether you own one property or a vast empire, these strategies are your map to hidden gold. So sharpen your pencils and prepare your minds, because your real estate sensei is back and the dojo of knowledge is officially open. 1. Depreciation benefits. Let's embark with depreciation, the silent guardian of your tax savings. It's like having a ninja silently fighting for your wallet year after year. But how? Imagine buying a shiny new car. Each year it loses a bit of its sparkle, right? The IRS lets you deduct this loss of sparkle for your property, giving you a yearly tax break. Depreciation is your invisible ally. For residential properties, this ally works tirelessly for 27.5 years, and for commercial properties, 39 years. And here's a secret tip. Certain improvements can even be depreciated over a shorter period, accelerating your benefits. 2. 1031 exchange. Now let's sail to the island of 1031 exchanges, where taxes fear to tread. This isn't just any old swap, it's a strategic maneuver that lets you defer paying taxes on gains by reinvesting them in new properties. Imagine trading an old treasure map for a new one without giving a piece of gold to the taxman. 3. The magic of cost segregation. Next, we dive into the mystical waters of cost segregation. This is where your property gets dissected by tax wizards to find even more savings. Think of your property as a treasure chest. Cost segregation finds the most valuable jewels inside, each with its own tax-saving sparkle. Conducting a cost segregation study is like casting a powerful spell on your property. Some components can be depreciated in as little as 5 years, unleashing a torrent of tax savings early in your investment journey. It's particularly potent for properties with significant interior work or renovations. 4. Tax credits and incentives. In the realm of real estate, there are magical spells known as tax credits and incentives. These aren't mere deductions. They're direct reductions of your tax bill, or even better, extra coins in your pouch. Whether it's turning your buildings green, preserving historical beauty, or creating homes for those in need, the kingdom offers rewards for your noble deeds. Sensei, how do we uncover these magical spells, you may ask? Young apprentices. The path to enlightenment lies in constant vigilance and consultation with your sage, your tax advisor. The scrolls of knowledge, local real estate clubs, the IRS website, are also there to guide you. Remember, the quest for tax savings is ongoing and ever-changing. With these strategies, you're not just an investor, you're a savvy explorer of the tax-saving seas, charting a course to greater wealth and prosperity. The journey doesn't end here. Keep seeking knowledge, consulting with your tax advisor, and staying adaptable. The world of real estate is vast and full of opportunity. If you've enjoyed this voyage into the depths of tax savings, honor us with a like and subscribe. Your engagement is the wind in our sails. Share your tales of conquest in the comments below or any questions you might have. Until our paths cross again, remember, in the quest for real estate mastery, you are your own best sensei. Sayonara.